happy wife, happy life.
Oh, woke up to this. Todd is trying to clean the driveway. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. I can't even stay there. Oh, dadali namin yung kambal sa kanilang lola para madala namin si Loki sa pet palace. Oh no. Sobrang lamig. Come here, boys. You guys stay here for a little bit while we take Loki to the pet palace. How do you do this?
Like this.
Okay.
No, it's good. Like this snow.
Oh, okay. Why? Do you want to see the snow outside? Yeah. Oh, okay. Now, that should be done. There. Is it nice?
Yeah. Oh, look.
If it's not too cold, you can play outside, but it's too cold today, okay? Maybe when we come back from the Philippines and it will snow and we can play outside, huh? We're gonna make
a snowman.
Snowman, right?
But we need a big carrot
Oh, for
and nose.
his nose, and what else? How about the eyes?
Circle
Circle. How about the mouth? What are we gonna use?
my finger.
Your finger? Okay. Are we gonna get a scarf and hat for your snowman?
Yeah.
Okay.
So was that a hat?
We can use Daddy's hat. Okay guys, I just witnessed almost a wreck. We don't know if it's slick or he hit
Hit a piece of concrete in the middle of a lane.
He didn't see it because there's a lot of snow.
He was going too fast for one. You seen how much he slid?
It's like, oh my gosh.
He ended up the opposite direction that he was traveling.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's a doggy there. There's something going on in front, guys. I don't know what's wrong with that white car. See, a lot of drivers
somebody out.
are getting out to help that white car open. They're trying to help it.
Well, I don't know how at the ball then. You see a bunch of people running.
Yeah. There's like 5 guys there helping that white truck. Oops. Oh crap, there's ice in there, so you better not go there, hon.
Looks neat.
Looks like we're on the clouds. Say bye, Papa. See you next year.
That's alright.
Was Kroger's crowded?
Just a little bit, not
Come
horrible.
on, say bye, Papa. See you next year.
We'll see you next year. Oh no. Next year. That's a long ways off.
Have to wait a whole year.
Next year. You're never gonna come back and see Grandma again? Sure you do. Oh, I
Thanks
love
for
you,
letting us
boy.
know.
It's alright.
We'll be praying that your flight gets canceled.
Oh my gosh. That's what your grandma Regal is probably praying to.
I'm not gonna lie, I said the same thing.
Hey, come on now. Look. Ate Ashley and Kuya Damien got us some dinner. Come on. Stop crying, Bray. Hey, get down now. Get down. Go get your food. Do you want some POP? Huh? Do you want some?
I do something.
They're really sweet right now.
Yeah.
Parang hindi nag-away yung dalawa.
Don't touch my butt. Be safe. No.
Here at the hotel. So sit down. We'll wait for Daddy. He just parked the car. I don't see anyone in the front desk. Taylor.
Dad's gonna have a heart attack.
Hey, free heat. Use it all you want. But don't roast me out because I'll turn the AC on you people.
We're here at our hotel for the night. It's 2 miles from the airport.
Your little nose is cold, buddy. Hey, no more jumping. No more jumping, okay?
Who's sleeping with Ate Taylor tonight? Huh? Who's sleeping with Ate Taylor tonight? You or?
Well, I say that both of you probably can because, look, there ain't no room. There ain't no room. We'll have to sleep this way.
Hey, Jen.
What?
You getting Jimmy John's?
Yeah, sure.
Freaky fast delivery. Whatever they say.